Welcome back to our channel for Jamaica vacation in Negril. Day 3. We're going to find some exciting things today on the beach and visitors for breakfast, so stay tuned. This is Henry, and he is a peacock, and he visits every morning and poses for pictures, and he is all alone. His mate was run over by a car, but he still comes every morning and poses for pictures. He is absolutely smart. So then we saw the starfish in the water, and a gentleman decided he would pick it up and show us up close of it. But it was so pretty, and I thought it was really big, and he said it was really hard, and that a lot of them are soft, but this one is hard. But he does try to scare his wife with it, and it was so funny. But yeah, the locals said it was not very big, that they're much bigger. And then this gentleman was out spearfishing and caught all those fish and that big thing on his back. Like, look at that thing and all the little spikies on it. I was pretty wowed by that. So while we were enjoying 82-degree weather outside for lunch, it was about 22 degrees in Charlotte, which I don't do well with cold. So that is crazy, and I'm super happy to be warm. But yeah, so people at home were not very thrilled that we were enjoying 80-degree weather. So if you know me, you know I love coffee. So this machine made all different kinds of coffee, and let's just say I used it quite a bit because I love coffee. And they also have in the machines that you can get ice cream anytime. So yeah, I had a lot of that. And the sunsets here are just absolutely beautiful. I enjoy watching the sunset over the water, even when we're at dinner or just sitting on our balcony or down by the beach. We had another amazing dinner down by the ocean at one of the local restaurants. It was all-inclusive, so we had French onion soup, and then we had steak medallions and lobster, and then creme brulee for dessert. I just love creme brulee. So then we decided to play some pool. Almost every night we played pool, and I'm not very good, but we had a great time. And then we just enjoyed swinging in the swing and sitting by the fire, and it was almost over. So we were really enjoying our time. We normally have kids around, and we don't get to just sit. So it was really nice to just sit and relax together and just be the two of us. As we were walking down the beach this night, we saw a ghost crab, and it was so funny. It was just like running in front of us, so we almost stepped on it. But it did eventually just go into the water, but it was absolutely huge. The pictures do not do it justice. Then here are the pools that are just absolutely gorgeous, and you can swim under the bridge, you can walk over the pool. Of course, they have the hot tubs, the fountains, and then they have the swim up bar where you can get Coke. You can get other drinks too, but since we don't drink, you can get Coke and waters and stuff like that up there.